Hi everyone, welcome to the Greatest Learn YouTube channel. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel. In this class, I am going to teach about important tricks of algebra expressions. These all are very important and different types of questions. If you watch this class completely, you will have to get 1 mark in all competitive examination. First problem, x square minus 13x plus 1 equal to 0. Then find x square plus 1 by x square. X square minus 13x plus 1 equal to 0. Divided by x on both sides. You will get x plus 1 by x value. So, this type of problems divided by x on both sides. X square minus by x, 0 by x. X square by x, x minus 13x by x minus 13 plus 1 by x, 0 by anything 0. X plus 1 by x equal to 13. X plus 1 by x equal to a, then x square plus 1 by x square. In already previous class I explained a square minus 2. Please show on the diagram a square minus 2. 13 instead of a, 13 square minus 2 equal to 169 minus 2, 167. This is the answer of x square plus 1 by x square. And then we go to second problem. If x into x minus 3 equal to minus 1, then find x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5. X into x minus 3 equal to minus 1. X square minus 3x equal to minus 1 divided by x on both sides. Minus 1 by x, x square by x, x minus 3x by x minus 3 equal to minus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x equal to 3. X plus 1 by x equal to a, then x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5. In previous class already explained a power 5. Please on diagram a power 5 minus 5a cube minus 5a cube plus 5a. 3 power 5 minus 5 into 3 cube plus 5 into 3. 3 common, easy to calculate. 3 power 4 minus 5, 3 square, 5 plus 5. 3 into 3 power 4, 81. 5 9 45 plus 5. 3 multiplied by 41. 123. 123 is the second answer, second question answer. And then go to third problem. If x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to 119, then find the value of x minus 1 by x. X square plus 1 by x square whole square, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. Already x power 4 119 plus 2 121. X square plus 1 by x square equal to root of 121, 11. X minus 1 by x, our target is find x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x whole square equal to x square 1 by x square minus 2. X square plus 1 by x square value 11 minus 2 equal to 9. X minus 1 by x equal to root of 9 equal to 3. 3 is the answer of x minus 1 by x. And go to the problem number 4. This problem is very important. X minus 17 root x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 17 root x minus 1 equal to 0. Divided by x on both sides. X by x 1 minus. So divided by root x, not x. Divided by both sides by root x. You will get the root x plus 1 by root x answer. X by root x minus 17 minus 1 by root x equal to 0. Root x minus 1 by root x equal to 17. X minus 1 by x equal to a. Then x square plus 1 by x square equal to a square plus 2. In previous class already explained. So root x minus 1 by root x. Root x minus 1 by root x equal to a 17. Then x plus 1 by x equal to 17 square plus 2. 289 plus 2, 291. Root x whole square equal to x. And go to the problem number 5. If x plus 1 by x equal to 1, then find the x power 64 plus 1 by x power 64. X plus 1 by x equal to n, x cube equal to minus 1. You remember this. Explain. X plus 1 by x equal to 1. X into x square plus 1 equal to x. X square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Multiplied by x plus 1 on both sides. X plus 1 x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0 into x plus 1. These are in a plus b formula. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square equal to a cube plus b cube. So x cube plus 1 cube 0, x cube equal to minus 1 cube equal to minus 1. So then find the x power 64 1 by x power 64. X power 64 is written as x cube whole power 21 into x plus 1 by x cube whole power 21 into x. So x cube value minus 1 power 21 x into x plus 1 by minus 1 power 21 into x minus 1 power 21 minus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus common from this minus x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x value equal to 1. So minus 1. This is the answer. These are very important questions. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.